Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Couponing Monday at Walgreens. Woo! There are so many amazing deals going on. We have some freebies, we have some deals using Ibotta, we have deals on laundry care, paper products, and so much more. Super excited. Down below in the description box, you guys are going to find the Google Doc, so you guys could just print it out and take it with you for an easy couponing trip. I also wanted to welcome back all the returning subscribers. I am forever grateful that you guys are always coming back and tuning into the videos. If you guys are new to this channel, take a second and hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you part of this couponing community. Now, let's go and head into the store. Woo! Look at my baby. Say hi. So our first deal is on TRESemmé hair care products. This week, these are on promotion. When you buy two, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. Some of these products are priced at $6 and $7. So you want to go ahead and pick up two of these hairsprays, priced at $6 for a total of $12. We have this $3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $9 at the register, but you'll get back a $5 register reward. Plus, you're going to submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2.50 cash back, which is going to give you back $5 because the offer limit is for 5, I believe. This is going to make your final cost free and a $1 moneymaker. For this deal, yes, you could definitely use Walgreens cash and register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. Next deal is on the Shea Moisture. These are priced at $3.79. You're going to go ahead and buy one, submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $5 cash back. That's going to make your final cost completely free and a $1.21 moneymaker. Next freebie is on oral care. This week, they're on promotion for $4.50, and when you buy two, you'll get back a $3 extra back. So you want to go ahead and pick up one of these Colgate Optic White mouthwashes for $4.50. And the toothpaste are also part of the promotion. They're also priced at $4.50, and you buy two, you'll get back a $3 register reward. So you want to go ahead and pick up one of these. For a total of these products, it's going to be $9. We have a $3 digital coupon for the toothpaste, a $3 digital coupon for the mouthwash. That will bring your total down to pay just to $3, but you'll get back a $3 register reward, making your final cost completely free, guys. Free, free, free. And yes, you can use a Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. So our next deal is on Febreze products. They're on promotion. They're priced at $3.29, and when you buy three, you're going to get back a $3 register reward. So you could go ahead and choose any products that you like, basically, that are priced at $3.29. For me, yeah, this smells good, pretty good. But for me, I'm also going to go pick up these Febreze fabric softener sprays and the plug-in. We do have a $3.30 digital coupon for the Febreze fabrics and a $2.30 digital coupon for the Febreze plug-in. You would pay $4.27 at the register, but you'll get back a $3 register reward, making your final cost just $1.27 for all three products, or just 42 cents each. Next deal is on the Gain Squeeze. They're priced at $1.99, and they're on promotion. Buy two, get a $1 register reward. So you're going to go ahead and pick up two for $3.98. We have a 50-cent digital coupon on our Walgreens app. You would pay $3.48 at the register, but get back a $1 register reward, making your final cost just $1.24 each. A great deal on laundry care products is on this promotion. They're buy four for $10. You guys could choose from Gain fabric softener, you could choose Downy products, Tide Simply products, and Bounce dryer sheets. But the only thing they had in stock was actually the Gain fabric softener. But I actually wanted more things, but not just the Gain fabric softener. But we do have a $1 digital coupon for the Gain softener, a 50-cent digital coupon for the Bounce dryer sheets, and a, I believe, 50-cent digital coupon for the Tide Simply pods. So be on the lookout for those because they come out a lot cheaper. Another laundry deal is on this promotion. They're buy four, get a $5 register reward, and they're priced at $5.49. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 4 of these products for $21.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Downy, a $1 digital coupon for the Bounce dryer sheets, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. You would pay $16.96 at the register, but you'll get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost just $2.99 each, guys, which is a pretty amazing deal as well. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. Next deal is on scalp paper products. This week they're on promotion, well, for $5, but we have a $1.25 store coupon and a $1 digital coupon. You would pay at the register just $2.75. Another awesome deal worth mentioning is on the complete home freezer and storage bags, guys. These, some of them are priced at $2.79 and they're buy one, get one free. They did not have them in stock in my store, but you can go ahead and pick up 3 for just $2.79. All right, guys, we are back at home, and there were so many amazing deals going on at Walgreens. Walgreens was on fire this week. Woo! But yeah, so I'm going to go over the receipts and talk final cash cost. So we have the Gain dish soap. They were priced at $1.99. The Febreze, they were priced at $3.29 each one. The Colgate, they were priced at $4.50, and the Tresemme hairsprays, 2 of them was actually $12. So that is the $3.30 digital coupon for the Febreze, the $3 digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwash, and the $3 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste, I believe. Yeah, the $3 digital coupon for the Tresemme, and the $2.30 digital coupon for the Febreze plug-in. So as you guys can see, the Gain coupon for the dish soap did not come off because I forgot to clip the coupon. I didn't clip the coupon, so your total would have been less, 50 cents less. So my subtotal was $24.04, but with taxes it went up to $25.57. Used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid $15.57. So I got back a $1 register reward for the Gain. I got back a $3 register reward for the Colgate. I also got the $5 register reward for the Tresemme. I got so many boosters, guys, a $3 register reward for the Febreze. I also got this spend booster. I also went ahead and submitted my receipt over to Ibotta, and I got back $10 cash back, guys, which is absolutely amazing. I paid out of pocket $15.57, and I got back $10 cash back from Ibotta. That made my final cash cost for all of these items right here just $5.57, guys, which is absolutely amazing. If I wouldn't have redeemed the $10 in Walgreens cash, your subtotal would have been $24.04. So let's just add that back in. But you'll get back the $3 register reward for the Colgate, the $3 register reward for the Febreze, a $1 register reward for the Gain, a $5 register reward for the Tresemme, and for my Ibotta, $11.50 because there is a hair care bonus. That is $23.50 back in rewards, and obviously cash back from my Ibotta. So that would have made your final cost just 54 cents for all of those products, guys, which is absolutely amazing. But yeah, let me know how you guys like to calculate your final cost. I like calculating final cash cost because it lets me know how much money I came out of my bank account. I love rolling in the rewards because that ensures I'm not spending a ton of money out of my own pocket. Down below in the description box, I do have the Walgreens cheat sheet for you guys, so you could just refer it, go back and use it as reference if you guys need help with anything. I also have the printable breakdown down below for you guys as well. And let me know in the comments what deal was your favorite. My favorite deal was actually every single deal here. They're all amazing. I cannot lie, because there's like 3 freebies right here, which is absolutely insane. But super excited, super happy how everything played out. So yeah, let me know in the comments what deal did you guys like the most? What deal did you guys do, and which ones are you guys planning to do? And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!